We're going to add board and batten to this wall. The first thing I need to do is carefully measure where the batten pieces will need to go so that I can make sure that they are evenly spaced. Next, we'll install the baseboard and the upper board so we can measure for the batten pieces. To cut the boards, we're going to use our Rotorazer Platinum Saw. Make sure it's unplugged before you start. Holding down the blade lock, you will use the Allen wrench to unscrew the nut so you can remove the blade. Carefully release the blade guard, lift it up, remove the blade, and place the new one in place. Put the bolts back and tighten it up. After measuring, we will use the Rotorazer Platinum Saw to cut the boards to the appropriate length. This saw is so convenient for any DIY project you want to do where you don't want to pull out a big tool. So easy to use. Now I'm sanding the boards and I'm going to go install them. I like to install the board by lining them up, using the level, and then putting the top nail in place. Use the level and then put the bottom nail in place. Now it's time to caulk all of the seams. I'm so excited how the Rotorazer Platinum Saw made this such a quick project. I'm adding a picture ledge to the top of my board and batten wall. Now it's time to paint. I'm so pleased with how the Rotorazer Platinum Saw gave me such clean cuts so my board and batten wall looks beautiful and professional. Check out the link in my caption to get your own Rotorazer Platinum Saw for 25% off. You'll also get a professional contractor's drill bit set. It's a $50 value and you only have to pay shipping and handling. Payment plans are also available. So if you're a DIY girl like me, trust me, you need to have the Rotorazer Platinum Saw.